Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a way to roll to try to get tension out of your body. So when we hold tension, well, we just can't move as good as we would normally be able to move if we didn't hold tension. If we're not soft and supple, we're going to be slower, stiffer, probably have some aches. We're just probably storing up and holding fear in our body. But if we can let that go, we're going to move better, but we're also just going to feel better, and things will just be better. They'll work better. Your body will work better. So I'm going to try to show you a way to roll to just kind of let and shake and jostle tension out. And this is kind of similar if you've ever been on a lazy river or in a raft. If you've ever been in a raft just floating in the ocean, and the gentle swaying of the ocean kind of just like it rocks your head, and after a while, it just kind of loosens up your joints, and you're one with the water, even though you're on top of the water, but you're just moving with the rhythm of the water. I've had a lot of times on my hand to think about this. We're going to try to do the same thing. We're going to do it with rolling. So I'll try to walk you through this, but we're going to use one leg to kind of create the jostling and the waves, so to speak, while we're in the raft. And you can already see just by moving my leg in and out, the rest of my body's just kind of getting pulled along for the ride. And what we're going to do is I'm going to take this hand. You can pretend like you're really in the raft. And this is actually here to help you have a place to roll and relax your neck so you don't hold tension in your neck. And we're just going to, you start out small, and then you can get bigger. You put a little bit of force in the bottom of that foot to start to pry your body over. And you can see that the body just gets a little bit looser, and you can go more. You can come over, pull it back, over, pull it back. And really you just try to let go and just give in to the motion that you're creating with that leg. And then on the other side, you can do the same thing. Again, you just pretend like you're lounging, dreaming about how you doing in a raft, hanging out at the beach. And you start to create some waves with jostling. And you just try to let your body go along with it. There's a feel to it. You kind of gotta get into it to experience it, right? But if you can find that, well, you can do some other cool things too. So just this motion here that we were using, we can actually do the same thing in more of the star position. So, normally we roll over and across our body, but you can actually take that same idea, gentle waves, and just start spiraling that leg. And if you can see how you just relax your body and try to let it be as loosey-goosey as possible. And it is as if you are just kind of floating around, or that you're actually just an ocean wave yourself, crashing in, rolling back out, crashing in, rolling back out. I know it's going to take a little bit of imagination. It's going to take some relaxation, but if you can find it, and if you can find your rhythm, and you can learn how to let tension go out of your muscles, this is a really cool way to spend some time on the floor. It loosens you up, it feels good, and it helps you learn softness. Anyway, that's rolling on a raft, without a raft, to loosen up your body. Give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength. And we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength workshop. Visit originalstrength.net.